Hi friends, it's Liz here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be sharing this video with all of you today. I'm going to be doing a quick review of the Clever Fox Planner, and if you stay tuned till the end, there is a surprise for my subscribers. So first I wanted to say congratulations to the winner of my last giveaway. I think you're going to have so much fun with what you're getting, and then I want to start saying thank you so much to the Clever Fox Planner company for sending me a planner to review, and then for offering what I'm going to share with you guys at the end of the video. So I have always struggled with planning, and I do have a planner that I've used on and off, but I don't use it often. It's mostly just a quick calendar for family references and stuff for, you know, appointments and stuff like that. And excuse me, I am so excited to start my year because I think this is going to be a really great planner for me. So to start off, let me just say that it comes in this great box, which is totally reusable because it's so nice and thick. And it does have a couple of information cards, a no hassle refund, which I've never heard of before on a planner, which is fantastic. Some ideas on how you can use the planner. I know they also have a YouTube channel as well, which I'll link below. And then it comes with some stickers, which as planners or even journal makers, we can always use, you know, stickers to add to our work. But these are great because it's like a visual reminder of something, you know, that's going to happen. So that's just for what's included in this really fantastic reusable box. The planner itself, I picked this color because it's my favorite. It is a non-dated weekly planner because I find I don't want to you know, stress myself filling out every single page. I'm going to you know, fill out as many weeks as I can, but I don't think I want to put a pressure on myself to miss a couple weeks here and there. So it's got this nice little sleeve with, you know, some details about the planner itself. And so yeah, let me show you inside. It's a really nice feel to it. I love that it has a closure and like a pen loop. And showing you inside, you can see how the paper quality is really nice, you guys. So I haven't tested it out yet with pens, but I think it will be really nice, you know, with pens and stuff like that. So here, this one's got I guess the first pages have my gratitude and self-awareness, and then it gives you some things to fill out, which I think it's good for prompts for those of us that sometimes are not sure what to, you know, to add to your journals or your planners. It's got a vision board page, which I think is such a great idea. So I can't wait to fill this out actually, because I always wanted to have kind of like a mini vision board on hand with, you know, when I'm working on something. It has goals as well in different areas, of course, you know, so that's also a great idea of your top goals for the year, which again, it's not something I always do, but I think this year might be a good idea, a good way to start. And you've got, you know, more focus on goals here, and then something called the mind map, which I'll figure that out a little bit more about. And then I also like the fact that it's got these really nice page bookmarks, because there's 3 different ones, and I feel it's for like the 3 different sections, so I'll show you that in a minute. So you've got your month view here, and again, it's undated, but for sure I'll be filling out the months myself. I'm just definitely going to use these sections to, you know, prep for the year. And then you've got some little sections here that you can fill out as well, like habits to adopt, skills to learn, all that you see here. I like the month's goals at the bottom, and then what you feel happy about, your wins of the month, and then what you'll improve for next month. And I think that's also a great focus. So I'm thinking this planner for me is going to be like my creative planner, planning projects, YouTube videos, Instagram posts, that sort of thing. And it will definitely fill up really quick if I'm just focusing on using this planner for those purposes. So then we go to the day of the week, and you've got them all on one page. And then on this side, you have main goals, priorities, notes, personal to-do lists, habit tracker, which I think is such a great idea. Again, your wins and what you'll improve next week. So that again is a nice way to focus. I can, you know, plan what I'll be doing for the weeks, the month, the year. I'm thinking I will be using this a lot more than I was using other planners before. So you've got quite a few, of course, to fill it out. And then the last section, which I really like, again, me see if I missed anything there. No, you've got your dot grid paper, and there's quite a few pages as well. So if you wanted to do some planning, you know, or journaling, etc., I think I'll be using that maybe for page spreads or something that's inspired me, or, you know, something that, you know, maybe I'm pre-planning a journal or something. I might be doing that as well. So this will be a really great journal for me to use for a combination of many things for my projects. I love that it has this giant pocket in the back, you guys. Look at it. You know, put so many things in there. So I'm so excited to get started. Because it's undated, I can start anytime I want. So I might actually start this week. I'm not really sure. But to win one of your own, thank you so much to Clever Fox Planners for this. Read the details below. I will be asking you, of course, to be a subscriber and to like the video, and yeah, let me know what you use your planners for, or if you use a planner. I'd like to know. I'm trying to figure out, you know, how this one will come together, but also I would like you to let me know if you want to see process videos for me filling out my planner. I know my channel is primarily making journals, tutorials, you know, that kind of stuff, working with vintage items, etc. But I think I'm going to start a planning section, because I think this will be great for, as I said, those of us that are, you know, creating journals, or have YouTube channels on for the creative purposes, Instagram, that sort of thing. I think it'd be great to keep all that together into one spot. So let me know if you want to see more of that, if you would like to see a series of that, I guess, starting on my channel. But I hope you guys enjoyed the share. Like I said, details will be below on how you can win your own. And as always, questions, comments, please leave them below. I really appreciate the feedback, and I will see you guys very soon. Thanks so much for stopping by.